Which term best defines the word boost as it is used in paragraph 1 of the passage? A. Overload, B. Enhance, C. Forward, or D. Dilate. Let's begin by locating where in paragraph 1 boost is used. Although it's used more than once, we see it appear for the first time in the 5th sentence, which tells us that though cooking tomatoes does boost their lycopene content, you'll still get enough from an uncooked tomato to make it worth your while. From this context, we can see that cooking tomatoes increases the lycopene content, as the text assures us that even without cooking them, we'll still get enough lycopene to make it worth our while. Based on this, we can mark D, dilate, as incorrect, as dilate would imply toning down the level of lycopene. C, forward, can be marked off as well. Although giving something a boost and pushing something forward can sometimes be used in the same context, it doesn't work here. And A, overload, is too intense a word for what we're looking for. Nowhere in the text does it imply that a cooked tomato has too much lycopene. We are left with B, enhance, which carries with it the same connotation as boost, adding to the benefits of the lycopene. Based on this, we can mark B, enhance, as our final answer.